Assalamualaikum and good day for everyone. We are students from UUM PACE Kuala Lumpur. Today, we want sharing about career and studying. Firstly, we want to say thanks to our lecturer, Madam Asya, for guiding us, and finally, we successfully complete this pair assignment. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Khairul Hafiz bin Abdul Ghani. My metric number is 269369. I'm student from semester 5 in degree course Public Administration. Before I start sharing about career and studying, I want to share about my biodata first. Now, I'm 37 years old and I'm already married. I have 3 children. My first primary school at Sekolah Rendah Kebangsaan Sultan Yahya Petra in Kuala Krai, Kelantan. After that, I'm continue my study at Sultan Yahya Petra High School, Kuala Krai, Kelantan, until I'm finished my STPM. In year 2004, I got offered to get in the Malaysian Police Training Center at Ulapur, Kuala Lumpur for 6 months. In 2005, after I finished my training, my first posting to Petaling Jaya Police District Department until now. In the month of July 2019, I decided to continue my study and I choose degree course in public administration. At the same time, my friends suggest to me to choose UUM PACE Kuala Lumpur for continue my study. How about you, Naim?
Hi, my name is Muhammad Naim Adnin bin Muhammad Yusuf. My metric number is 269112. I am student from degree course in public administration 2. I am now 34 years old and I am already married. I have 2 children. My first primary school at Sekolah Rendah Kebangsaan Gunung Semanggul, Perak. After that, I am continue my study at SMK Gunung Semanggul, Perak until I am finished my SPM. In years 2012, I got offer into the Malaysian Police Training Center at Pelapor Muar, Johor Darul Takzim for 6-month training. In 2013, after I am finished my training, I am posting to Petaling Jaya Police District Department until now. In the month of July 2018, I am decided to continue my study and I am choose degree course in public administration. At the same time, my friends suggest to me choose UUM PACE Kuala Lumpur for continue my study. Okay, Kai, what do you think about career and studying?
Thank you, Naim. For me, working while studying can be financially and professionally beneficial, but balancing earning and learning is difficult. You need to be well disciplined and have access to a good support network to be successful. Getting the from postgraduate study requires resilience, good time management, genuine enthusiasm for your course, and dedication to see it out to its conclusion. To succeed, you must implement routine and plan each day in advance. Most importantly, you must have open and honest conversation with your employer and potential course leader before apply for a master degree, as they will make the arrangement run more smoothly. Discuss study timetable and working hours can be clear that you need to amend each accordingly. Okay, Naim, why you choose a part-time postgraduate study?
For me, the option to study part-time is invaluable to postgraduate graduates who need to balance their study with work or family commitment. Many others choose to study for a part-time master degree to lessen the financial burden somewhat. Part-time postgraduate courses are usually cheaper year on year than full-time program, and part-time study makes self-funding more realistic. Is you have to option continue working each year on a full part-time basis. For those already in employment, of one main expression of a part-time course is that you get to maintain your salary while studying. If your aim is to save fund, your wages could have to pay your fees upfront, avoiding to need to take out a loan or put them towards your living costs. Working while studying also open up the possibility of employee whereby your employees pay your tuition fees and cost expensive so long as the qualification is relevant to your job and benefit the company in some way. I want to ask you, Kai, what the advantage?
I'm also agree with you, Naim. There are many benefits to part-time study. The first, to be it flexible. Lecture and seminar in many part-time courses are hosted at a weekend or recorded for students to access online in day on time. These make it an attractive profession for many top-tier research into your chosen program in Paramount. As some universities have strict regulation regarding part-time study, to explore what available such part-time postgraduate courses. Part-time postgraduate courses are also popular because they can improve your career prospect without you having to take a break from work. Additionally, you make connection with other working professionals studying in the same course. Working while studying also has advantage. For example, working enable development of skill that look great in your CV, especially your job in related to your study area. At work, you develop skills such as organization and time management, especially as you will prioritizing multiple workload. You'll also have opportunities to network within your chosen field, and recruiters will admire your commitment to progression and lack of employment gap.
If you are considering studying and working full-time, you need to be aware that part-time study is extensive, stressful, and requires great discipline. With a few lecturers to attend, you will be prone to concentrating on work and leaving your assignment until the last minute. Distracting work commitment may even result in occasional deadline extension or module defaults. Ultimately, your job could be take precedence in terms of quality and time, which is not ideal as you should typically dedicated at least 20 hours a week to part-time study. Balancing work, study, and family life without it having a negative impact on your academic output is extremely difficult, but employer and academic may not appreciate to conflicting demands on your time. Employees in particular might need careful handling to ensure that your academic work is not neglected. While annual part-time tuition fees are lower cost less may actually means that you pay more. Program can also provide less value. You might not have time to access resources that could extend the university experience and more importantly, your future career. This includes society, academic staff, US lecturer, networking events, the library, and the career service. Getting to know course matters in the same way as you were if studying full-time may also be a challenge. What's more, time pressure can leave you feeling isolated during past time. Close support from friends, family, peers, tutors, and employees the therefore vital. Following the coronavirus pandemic, many with people working from home is keeping the government guideline as choosing to study in the same environment may adversely affect your family due to amount of time spent looking your time computer screen.
Inshallah, Naim, we will success together. The conclusion is career and studying is not an unsolvable obstacle. We as a student should be intelligent to share the time following high priority and commitment. Whatever career you do, if you have a high determination, inshallah, you will be successfully and change your life for better. We also believe you all can do it. If you want to continue your study, you can apply at UUM-PACE Kuala Lumpur, and we hope to see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.